What if I told you that you could start making money online today, with zero investment, no prior experience, and just the power of artificial intelligence? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can earn money using DeepSeek R1, one of the most powerful AI tools out there. This isn't just theory. I'll break down real, step-by-step methods that people are already using to generate income online. Whether you want to make a few $100s a month or scale up to thousands per week, this video has something for you. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive in. What is DeepSeek R1? Before we jump into the earning methods, let's quickly talk about what DeepSeek R1 actually is and why it's a game changer. DeepSeek R1 is an advanced AI model designed to generate human-like text, automate repetitive tasks, and assist with content creation. And the best part? It has a free version, so you don't need to spend a single dollar to get started. AI is revolutionizing how people work online. And if you're not taking advantage of it, you're leaving money on the table. Now, let's break down 3 proven ways you can use DeepSeek R1 to start making real money online, or 3 beginner-friendly ways to earn money with DeepSeek R1. Now, let's talk about how you can turn DeepSeek R1 into a money-making machine. I'll be covering 3 powerful beginner-friendly methods. Each of these methods can work for you, even if you have zero experience. AI-powered content creation. One of the most effective methods is AI-powered content creation. Businesses and website owners are willing to pay anywhere from $50 to $500 per article for high-quality content. And with DeepSeek R1, you don't even need to be a professional writer to get started. The process is simple. Use DeepSeek R1 to generate blog posts, articles, and product descriptions, make a few refinements to enhance quality, and then offer your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. You can also reach out to businesses directly that need content for their websites or marketing campaigns. If working for clients isn't your thing, there's a great alternative: starting your own blog. Platforms like Medium or Blogger allow you to publish content for free, and you can monetize your blog with Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. Imagine writing a blog post in just 10 minutes, adding an affiliate link, and watching it generate passive income for months or even years. Thanks to AI, making money online has never been this easy. AI-generated YouTube automation. YouTube is another goldmine for AI content creation, and the best part is, you don't even need to show your face. With the help of DeepSeek R1, you can generate engaging YouTube scripts on trending topics in just minutes. Once you have a script, use free AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs or Murf.ai to bring it to life. Next, gather stock footage from platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva to create visually appealing videos. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Some creators are making anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month just by running faceless YouTube channels, proving that AI has made content creation more accessible than ever. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but felt intimidated, now is your perfect chance. Another powerful way to earn money online is by selling AI-generated digital products, a method that allows you to make money while you sleep. There are endless possibilities when it comes to digital products. You can use AI to write ebooks in minutes and sell them on platforms like Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. If you have a creative side, generate quotes and designs with AI and sell them as print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies on Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and keep making money from them forever. How to get started right now. Step-by-step guide to start earning. Getting started with DeepSeek. R1 is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps to turn AI into your personal money-making machine. First, go to DeepSeek R1's official website and sign up for free. Once you're in, choose one of the 3 proven methods we discussed: AI-powered content creation, faceless YouTube automation, or selling AI-generated digital products. The key to success is consistency. Keep refining your work and optimizing your offerings. Finally, once you start making money, reinvest your earnings into better tools, marketing, or outsourcing to scale up your business. Most people fail to make money online because they overthink the process and never take the first step. Don't be that person. You already have access to the tools and strategies. Now, all that's left is to take action and make it happen. And that's it. You now have everything you need to start earning online with DeepSeek R1 without spending a single penny. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more ways to make money with AI. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I respond to everyone. Now go out there and start making money online. See you in the next video. This extended version enhances engagement, retention, and clarity while making the content easy to follow for beginners. Would you like any refinements or additional sections? And remember, success comes from taking action. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see instant success. Keep refining your approach, learning from your experiences, and scaling up as you go. The possibilities with AI are endless, and this is just the beginning.